Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got the 3-inch Nerf bars from eBay. It's actually like the drop down type, the one that drops down, just a section where you step on it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And alright, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Looks like we got a label here. It says sidebar. Maybe they come out through the side. Yeah, I guess they do come out through the side. This is a single cab short bed truck, so that's why these are so short, pretty much. So we got 3 boxes here. Let's look at the first one. Put it on top here. Unbox this. Alright, the first item we have is probably the mounts that go into the vehicle, I think. These are the looks like we got another mount. 2 more mounts for probably for the other side. I'm just gonna check if there's not any directions on this. Make sure I don't mess them up. So I'll leave these in the box just in case. Then the next box. Looks like we got the instructions. A little bag here. Installation instructions. So like always, you never read those. We got some more mounting brackets. We got a total of 3. So we got 3 mounting brackets. And then we got some hardware here with, smells like oil. So we got pretty much bunch of bolts, nuts, washers, all kinds of stuff. And then we got another 3. Say in the box. Brackets for 2007 to 2018 Silverado. We got another 3 brackets. They are very well packaged, as you can see. They got a lot of foam. They got a piece of cardboard in between the two steps there. All right, here's all the hardware that comes in with the kit. It's pretty well made. The material is like sprayed like like a bed liner, shiny. All right, remember guys, this is a single cab Chevy Silverado with the short bed, with the regular size bed. So this is not gonna be for the people that have the extended cab and the quad cab and double cab, whatever you want to call it. So this is for a single cab. It's about 53 inches in length. This part is about 22 and a half. About 22 and a half. And then the steps themselves are about 4 inches. So you guys can see there. About 4 inches. And then the thickness of this, it's about 3 inches. So this is what they were talking about when they were saying that there were 3-inch side steps. It's this part. But yeah, this is my unboxing video for this for these side steps from eBay. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for the installation video.